Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change avatar on PUBG Mobile. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. First up, open up your PUBG Mobile, and once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead over to the top left and tap on your profile picture. Okay. Tap on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, just tap on your profile picture once more. Okay. As you can see here, you have the option to change the avatar. Tap on it. As you can see here, you'll need to unlock this by playing the game. Okay. And once you've unlocked these profiles right here, or custom profiles, you can go ahead and select it and just tap on use. Now, if you wanted to change like an actual photo right here, for example, okay, all you need to do is just link your Facebook account to your PUBG Mobile account. Now, how do we do that? Just close this one. Now go ahead over to the bottom right and tap on this icon. All right, that got like an up arrow key. Just tap on it. Go to settings, and then under account, tap on link other social media account. Okay, make sure that Facebook is linked, and once done, just change your Facebook profile, and after that, relaunch the PUBG Mobile game. And once done, your profile right here will be changed as well. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.